Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Yeah, that's the call, Tom. You want anything else?
Nah, I'm heading home.
Hey, Tom, before you go, I ask maybe a small favor. Huh?
Sure, Luigi, what do you need?
Walk my daughter home.
Sarah? The way I hear it, she doesn't need any kind of escort.
She's a tough. There's this pack of boys near her place. They're punks, you know, cattivi ragazzi. They talk blue, make advances. Sarah, she's gonna speak at the mind. But maybe she says something they don't like. Things get ugly. But if you walking at home, this will remind these punks she's the Don's goddaughter.
No problem, Luigi. I'd be honored.
Benny. Sarah, time to close.
What's this then?
Tom's gonna take you home.
All right.
Hey, I just work here.
Make sure nobody bother you.
Fine. If it'll make you feel better, Pop.
Hey.
I'll see you tomorrow. Let me get my coat.
I'll wait for you outside.
Es ist ein hübsches Mädchen.
You okay?
Aha,
I
mein
don't need
Fahrrad
anyone
nicht.
walking me home.
Hey, we were talking about meeting up tonight anyway.
I guess.
And you can quit worrying about what he's gonna think.
Not the point, Tom. He treats me like a kid sometimes.
Hey, I get it. He's protective. He's seen things.
We've all seen things.
You know, we gotta talk about you stealing
Sie kommen sicher noch besoffen.
Hey,
Jeder so.
I cook it, so I get to say where it goes.
Polly won't thank you.
Well, maybe tomorrow's finally going to be the day he fixes his own breakfast.
Da besoffene, die ich muss zusammenprügeln. Hallo, was... Bin ich dir im Weg gestanden, hä? Bin ich da ihr im Weg gestanden? Ist sie gerade nicht mehr raus?
Only got so many hands here.
Machst du?
Sarah, that for me?
Yeah, though it's not as much as last time.
It's enough. Nona thinks you're an angel.
The Don hates seeing food go to waste.
And this has gotta be Tommy. Sarah told us all about ya.
Is that right?
You're a famous race driver, Tom. Everyone talks about you.
Yeah,
Du musst es jetzt
she's
gar
right.
nicht so
They
abspielen.
do.
Well, anyways, don't
Yeah,
let
okay.
the cold in, Juliet. I'll see you at church.
All right. Have a great evening.
Night.
Buena noche, Tommy. Hey, Mama.
Buena notte.
Angel Sarah brought more food.
It's nice you do that.
That? Well, a lot of hungry people on this block.
Yeah. Well, it's a good
Sorry,
night
das
for
Game
walking.
ist so geil. Mann.
Don't get yourself killed on my account, Tom.
I try to avoid it.
That's all you got? You spend all this time with the lady killer like Sam Trapani, and the best line you got is, "Good night for a walk anyways?"
Well, it is, ain't it?
Yeah, I guess so.
So läuft das so langsam. Jesus Christ. Und da vorne hat's
Flowers for the
rote.
lady, signore?
Nah, we're good.
Now I don't get flowers?
When you let me take you on a real date and not some walk home for Luigi, then you get the flowers.
Eh, that could happen. If Pop's not gonna stop me seeing one of yous. I think he knows anyway.
Luigi? Nah.
These guys have been creeps to me for weeks. But I didn't tell you as I know what you like. I mentioned it to Dad this one time, and all of a sudden he gets you to be my knight in shining armor. So yeah, he knows.
Huh. Well, like I say, means there's no
The
problem.
knight in shiny armor.
Did you wouldn't last long. I know what happened to all the other guys I dated. I helped hide the bodies.
So now we are.
I've been trying to keep you safe, Tommy Angelo, all this time.
Let's go someplace. Tomorrow night, maybe. The pictures, maybe. You can get your
Pictures.
flowers.
That'd be good.
Jetzt.
Hey there, darling. Are you stepping out on us?
Piss off.
Don't cast a kitten, dollface. We'll let your boyfriend watch. What do you say?
We going to have trouble here?
Trouble started back when you tried to steal our girl, Chief.
You saps aren't careful. You'll end up in wooden overcoats. Last chance to walk away.
We ain't frails. We know who you work for.
Salieri might have been the big six when he was younger, but he's all washed up now. It's only a matter of time before Morello punches his ticket.
I don't need Salieri. Or anyone else. Not for this.
Well, then let's see what you got, cake eater.
Cake Eater. Ja. Dat zijn nou Zeug am Boden. Einer nach dem anderen. Schwede Kuss.
You even touched me in your
Hey.
head.
Aber kann ich irgendwie einen auch anvisieren? Also weißt du, so, ich stehe ja immer so geschissen sonst. Warte mal, kann ich da das Rohr nicht? Das ist eigentlich verdammt gemein, oder? Voll unfair. Jo. So, warte bis es schlägt, aber irgendwie so. Gut, der kommt ja mit dem Messer. Hey.
Get away from me!
Ja, genau. Bam, Mann.
Tommy!
Und jetzt kommt noch der Härte, hä? Jetzt kommt noch der Endgegner.
My turn now. Hope you're better than your friends.
Holzbrett. Oh, jetzt habe ich halt wirklich... Hey, was? Jetzt habe ich halt keine Hilfe mehr gegen den, weil ich es vorher schon so ein bisschen verkackt habe. Ja, ist ja gut. Ich hab's geschnallt. Es ist halt...
My turn now. Hope you're better than your friends.
Bitch, Mann! Schau, ich habe nichts mehr auf der Uhr, gell? Mach ihn weg jetzt! Da in die Ecke gedrängt! Du bist am Arsch! Schau jetzt! Ah, du kleine Wichser!
You son of a bitch.
Get away from me!
Jetzt ist noch mal einer, Mann. Jetzt will ich aber dabei sein, Mann.
You got a good right hook, I'll give you that. You're bleeding. Come up to my place.
Ist nicht
I'll
meins.
take a look.
Oder doch? Hey, Don Vomit! Der Don Vito! Der Don Vomit ist da.
Well, you gonna come in and take a load off, or what?
Been wondering when you'd invite me up.
The bank's closed, Slugger. I'm just gonna patch you up is all. Now go sit down on the couch, roll up your sleeve. I'm getting my sewing kit.
Wild.
Doesn't look too bad. You need something for the pain?
No, I'm fine.
You don't have to do that.
What?
I can see it fucking hurts, Tom. You want to pretend it don't, go ask Polly to staple you up.
What do you got?
Compliments of the Don.
Das ist sympathisch, oder?
Take another. All right. You gonna grin and bear this?
Yeah, I'll be okay.
Good. Because I don't need the little old lady next door complaining to the super about all the racket.
Just be quick about it, will ya?
Oh, it's gonna take as long as it takes. The sloppier the stitch, the uglier the scar.
That right? You stitched up a lot of fellas.
Just my father.
Stitched
I
up.
would really go after Luigi sometimes. He got pretty good at ducking dinner plates. So one day she stabbed him with her knitting needle. Right through the hand.
What for?
'Cause she was an ugly, jealous drunk. There. Not my best work, but...
Oh, ist nicht die beste Arbeit.
The scar will be something to remember you by, if nothing else.
You're staying over. Can't have you stumbling through the neighborhood pie-eyed. Not when them hoods are out looking for you anyways.
Yeah, okay.
Der Nightbot muss den endlich mal rausnehmen.
No. And the heat's out.
Eso todo.
Es ist so geil, Mann. Es ist so geil, Jen.
This can't stand.
Sarah's okay, boss. I took care of it.
She started working here before she could see over the bar. I don't have a daughter of my own, Tom. I'd do anything for Luigi's little girl.
So would I. We all would.
That's right, boss. Anything for Luigi and Sarah.
Do those bastards think this is fucking Luna Park or something? I'll rip them apart with my own hands.
Our business is protection. But who's gonna pay up when they learn we can't even protect one of our own as she walks home from work?
So what do you want us to do?
Teach these boys a lesson. Break every bone in their bodies. Put them in wheelchairs. Bust their faces up so bad, even their mothers can't look at them without screaming.
We know where they're holed up.
My friend on the force says we should start looking into Chinatown.
Then Big Biff will know something. Tommy, go to Vinny, get us some gear. Meet me at Biff's place.
Yeah, okay.
Leave these punks laying in the street. I want everyone to know we do not allow mad dogs to run wild in our neighborhood.
You got it, boss.
Mary!
Some of these sons of bitches could still be on our turf.
I'll check the neighborhood. Make sure they're gone while you see Biff. Good hunting.
Yeah, same. Okay, so when you're done with Vinny, come find me in Chinatown.
Hat schon Style, man.
Let's go bust some heads.
These punks showing disrespect. Where's the respect in this city gone, Frank? I got guys calling after Sarah in the street. I got payments drying up.
Mary, wie geht's? Was läuft?
Hey, here for some heaters, Tom?
Nah, I'm already going and healed. Paulie and me, we gotta give a beating to some punks who've been on our turf. I don't want to pull this and piss in our own street. Something to bust heads. That's all we need.
1911, beste.
Where else? And, autographed by Babe Ruth himself, the guy said. I mean, it's horse shit, but they bust heads. Your punks won't have time for questions.
Not I won't. Thanks, Vinny.
Was habe ich jetzt eigentlich begonnen? Oh, ich kann nicht gucken. Ja, regnet es jetzt? Wenn wir aber das Dach nehmen. Da gehen wir aber mit dem Dach.
Now, a news report on the rising crime figures and the reaction from the governor's mansion. The numbers state in black and white that crime is on the rise all over the state. Many commentators are blaming the rise in criminality, thievery, racketeering, and other gangsterism on the economic downturn and resulting social deprivation.
Gangsterism.
In the greater Lost Heaven area last year, there was a sharp increase in the number of gang-related incidents, and the chief of police was moved to create a gang task force, known informally as the Rat Catchers. But Governor Wells, who has suffered criticism for his handling of the increase in violent crime, thinks otherwise. He said, "There can be no dispute that times are hard for many. Jobs are fewer and farther between. But that simply is no reason to fight one's thumb at the rule of law. In fact, I feel that adversity has the potential of forging a hardier individual and a more harmonious family."
Jetzt kann ich nicht mehr umparkieren.
About time. Come on, I'm wet through. Why Biff moved into this dump, I'll never know.
Give him a break. He's in love.
He got yellow fever the time we boosted the Shanghai skin flakes.
Well, I like her anyways.
Problem with you, Tom, you always soft for games.
Jetzt kommen noch die Triaden.
You fat bastard. How you doing?
出貓老千，你爭我哋錢，將你身上所有嘅錢擺晒出嚟。
用低啲。
Great to see you. Call her off, Biff. We got business.
Upstairs, please.
冇用嘅廢柴。
So, what's the beef?
Need some information. Got some jokers causing trouble. They messed with Luigi's daughter.
Plenty of hoods around. You got any more?
One of them's a weasel named Billy.
A weasel.
A prissy chump and a bruiser with a bald head.
Right.
Nick, man.
They're set up in the old service station a block over. They hawk some gear every now and then. Small time.
That's why I knew to come to you, Biff. You're good with small time.
Out the back, cross the street. You'll find them there.
Thanks. See you around.
Hey, Paulie. About that dough?
Relax. Just waiting for my guy to come through. It'll be next week. Just sit tight.
Sit tight. So, hä? Ja, weißt du, ich meine, das kannst du gar nicht verpassen. Da. Hey, ist der Badmantel? Wo, meinst du wo? Ja, es ist halt viel zu warm für einen Badmantel.
What was that back there?
Also müssen wir halt ehrlich sein.
Well, Biff got something going on.
Guy I know is bringing in a shipment of suits. Classic ones, Mexican.
You getting suits from Mexico?
No, idiot. The suits are boosted from a lockup downtown. The tailor is from Mexico. Originally, anyways, he lives in Holbrook.
Did Don know about this?
Yeah, he'll get his cut. You just keep this under your hat.
I guess I heard nothing.
You gonna know these punks when you see them?
Yeah. Though, I guess if I don't, all we gotta do is find the other guys in Chinatown who look like we do.
There it is.
Aber unser Boy, da ist ein hübscher Boy, ja? Ist ein hübscher.
Here's how we do this. I walk in and start beating people. You do the same. No shooters.
You take long thinking that one up.
Nah, this plane gets used a lot. I think we gotta go in through the side.
Du bist heiß. Ja, heute war es nicht so warm gewesen, eigentlich. Aber es ist halt mega feucht. Es ist mega feucht, ja.
Telling you, nicest ass I've ever seen in my life.
Yo.
Oh, Billy, it's the guy from the other night. We gotta go.
Jetzt haben wir Angst, ja. Auf einmal. Letztes Mal eine grosse Fresse gehabt.
Come get him! Guys, I'll make it quick.
Jetzt einfach immer zuerst ausweichen und dann ist, kommt alles gut. Kommt wieder mit dem Messer, der so Hund. Der war eben daneben gewesen. Ja, aber die können alle nicht, oder?
Fence town before they get away! Don't let him get Billy.
Ich kann ich eigentlich nicht schneller rennen, what the fuck? Oh, jetzt doch Geballer. Doch Geballer.
You think I need telling? I go up. You go through there.
Okay!
Wie kann ich? Ja, Dreieck. Ja. Ja, ist schon schwierig zum Zielen, Mann. Oh. Vier, 7. Ah, ja, tatsächlich, jetzt habe ich nur noch 7 Schüsse. Okay, wir dürfen nicht immer nachladen. Nicht gut. Okay, dann. Wir haben Muni. Oh, was haben wir da? Ja, da hätte ich schon zuerst das Gewehr aufgelesen, verdammt. Oh, und jetzt habe ich... Hey, okay, scheiß drauf, schon blöd jetzt. Oh, das ist meine. Kein Geballer, jetzt war noch gemessen. Hier mal. Oh shit, dude. Mach keinen Wanken, wenn du anschießt. Ich hab die geholfen, bruh. Scheiße, ich hätte vorher da wirklich erst nachher die Munition sollen nehmen, nachdem ich das Gewehr aufgenommen habe, aber... So ist es tun. Okay, so gibt's Moon. Jetzt lade ich aber trotzdem nach, scheiße.
Clear a path to Billy, Tom. We get to that pump for all the other pumps. Take them down.
Okay, da kriegen wir Moon. Keinen ein Gewehr gehabt. Kein Gewehr. Taschenrevolver? Nein. Pistekanone, Mann. Fucking hell. So, ist jetzt blöd gewesen, ein bisschen. Wir müssen vorsichtiger sein. Okay. Was hat der da? Oh, eine Flinte. Eine Flinte jetzt. Was? Jo. Oh, da hinter uns hat es ja Monis, hä? Oh shit. Hey, geh mal in Deckung! Wie mache ich da Molis? Wie mache ich nochmal Molis? So. Das Ziel ist hure ungenau, Mann. Oh shit, okay. Das Ziel ist so ungenau, Mann. Ich bin schon wieder fast in Katzo, Mann. Geh weg! Brauch Deckung. Was haben wir hier? Delu Marcano. Marsano. Weißt du nicht. Ist sonst noch was? No. Hol Billy ein, da noch zuerst noch looten. Oh! Oh shit, dude! Ich treffe halt nicht mit der Shotgun. Da hat er mich einfach abgestochen. Hey. Okay. Ja, er macht alles jetzt. Ja, aber die Molis sind ein bisschen für nichts, oder? Schau, er kommt so. Es ist ein tough guy, Motherfucker, ey. Jetzt nehmen wir mal das Messer. Ja, mach. Ah, ich muss draufbleiben. Ja, das sind Violett. Ja, das ist mein Karre. Das ist nicht mein Auto.